Hey, how's it going, everyone? We are reaching out to someone who just inquired in my DMs, who just joined Gator, and we're looking to see how we're able to help them out, and they're reaching out to new investors and want to see how we can collaborate. They don't know I'm reaching out, but I'm just going to give them a call and show you this is a relationship game, and it's up to you to just take action on these relationships. Hello? Christian? How's it going?
Good.
Good to hear. This is Justin. I received a DM from you a few days ago on Facebook about being a new Gator student and seeing how we can collaborate.
Oh yes.
Yeah, this is Justin Pickle.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I was watching a video that you recorded. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so
What video was that?
It was an interview that you did with I can't remember the name, but
With Pace?
it wasn't Pace. It was another young investor too. I think he also.
Okay. Noah?
I have to look it up.
Yeah, who knows? I've been on a few different stuff. But where can I help you, my friend? And you're just getting started, and what are you trying to figure out? And let's see where we can grow with each other along the journey, my friend.
Yeah, I just recently joined Gator a couple weeks ago, and I actually got here because I was doing wholesaling.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so how long you been doing wholesaling?
So, I started doing wholesaling with direct to sellers, but then I ran into these challenges with funding and TC. So, I mean, yeah, because I didn't, my experience was very low. So that's why I went back and then get more education.
Yeah.
I heard from Pace from another student that he actually called me and he brought up Pace, that he was from this group from Pace, Morby. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how
So you joined?
doing research.
Okay, cool.
But yeah, like I'm willing to like if I can as adding that added value to you somehow with I'm not sure with like foreclosures, calling spare listings or stuff like that.
Yeah. Okay. So you want to cold call those? Is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Hey, your dad wasn't too excited about yeah.
No, I'm willing to just do some work, whatever that is,
For sure. Are you doing this full time or part time?
It's mostly like a part time because I have a full time job right now.
Yeah, for sure. So what's your full time job that you do?
I do interior remodeling, flooring, and paint work.
Okay. So you understand construction?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. So what's your short and long term goals with real estate in general?
So I want to just the idea of being able to buy property like in different parts of the country like that. That's that to me that's like really cool. So I would like to buy properties, buy homes, maybe later. But for now, that's for like the future. But for now, I guess like do some wholesaling or even the Gator Method.
Okay, wholesaling, Gator. Okay, for sure. So for the Gator stuff, you're reaching out to like a lot of wholesalers, right? To see if you can give them EMD? Or what are you doing?
Yes.
Is that what you're already doing, or what are you doing now? Because I thought...
Well, right now, I'm just like reaching out to other Gators. Like I'm just now getting started, yeah.
Okay. So, potentially, I think you can, like, if you do start doing Gator and you want to do wholesale, like, the wholesalers or the different broker, some transactions pretty much are going to need EMD. And you can also provide the Dispo. Pretty much you can build a network of people by making posts, joining Facebook groups nationwide, going to local meetups, and letting them know that you offer help with acquisitions, or you can help with finding buyers, or you can help with the EMD.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
yeah, so you can do that nationwide, really, for the Gator stuff. And if you wanted to partner up, if you don't have the buyers on your list already, then I'll do Dispo nationwide for 30%. You can charge them 40 or 50%.
Okay.
Yeah, because we have 2 million buyers on our email list, and if the numbers make sense, we can get it sold.
Yeah, yes. Okay. Yes. So just network and.
Yeah, and there's hundreds of wholesalers who are posting up their deals for sale, so we're just reaching out to people who are selling their deals, and those are people who are active wholesalers. And you ask if they want a Dispo. If not, we can also do EMD, potentially negotiate some novation deals for them if they're lacking on that, and see what they're doing.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Yep. Yeah, that sounds good. Yep.
So how much time do you have to take action on this every day?
About an hour.
An hour?
1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. Yeah, 30 minutes to 2 hours. I've been I started 2 weeks ago, and I've been like watching the videos, the training videos program.
Yeah.
Yeah, just to see if I can learn.
Yeah.
More, but.
The key thing to learn is just start doing. So spend 2 hours a day just joining Facebook groups, making comments on the people's posts saying, I'm reaching out and DMing you, here's my number, and then you just DM them about the deal and ask them if they're open to joint venturing, if you can bring a buyer, and I can also provide EMD for your future transactions, and looking forward to building a long-term relationship.
Yes.
And then you're pretty much gonna find lending clients, Dispo clients, and you have your other job, and you're gonna build some reoccurring income because these people do the work full time, and now you got some good relationships by meeting let's say you message 20 to 40 people in a day, and then you actually built 3 to 5 good relationships a day.
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, that's what I need. I need to get on that.
Yeah. So.
To connect with more.
The more people, the better, for sure. The more people that know you, the more people that want to do business with you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good. Okay.
So, what do you think about getting your first deal in the next 30 days here by this method and taking action every day?
That would be. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah.
Okay.
That would be cool if I could. Yeah.
Okay. So.
If I could get that first deal in the next 30 days.
I believe you can. I help people do it all the time. So it's really just taking action. It's really the hardest thing I get people to do. But if you're for real committed to 1 to 2 hours a day, I know you can do it. I just did it for this other guy who has a full-time job, and we closed 2 deals. The same method. But he doesn't do Gator. But he probably will in the future.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll focus on doing this. Reaching out, connecting with more people.
Yeah. People are posting their deals. Reach out to the people who are posting their deals. And I can send you some scripts and some different groups and different stuff to help getting started. And my team's here to help you out. I got a full-time Dispo guy and some other people ready to help for acquisitions and transaction coordinator, and soon probably an underwriter. But
yeah, because I was is underwriting. I'm pretty sure it's a lot of because I'm learning about underwriting right now. Or I've been hearing about it on the training. Because I know, but that's not the same as comping or evaluating properties, right? That's one thing.
That's part of it. There's a bunch of components to underwriting. It could be like comps, rental value stuff, and appreciation of the market, tax depreciation.
Okay. Is it okay if I save your number, just in case something comes up?
Yeah, definitely save my number, and I'm going to put you in a group chat with my Dispo manager, and we can all stay in communication on these transactions, because I'm telling you, you can really start sending us deals by today if you do 2 hours today.
Okay.
Yeah. I've showed people, like, I was at the Squad Up Summit and just showed someone in 3 minutes or less. I randomly opened up my phone. There was a random deal posted in a random group. I messaged the person. They responded in right away. And they said they're open to partnering. And then I said, are you open to doing a 50-50 split? And he said, yes.
Oh, okay.
That was all in 3 minutes.
Okay, cool.
But then the key thing is knowing it's a good deal after that. And then making sure the Dispo team can sell it and knows what's going on. And having good communication throughout it. But you can have deals going right away. We just got to reach out to these people, be committed to taking action, and we can hold each other accountable to success, my friend.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right?
I would, I would like to, do that. Yeah, just get on it right away.
For sure. Sounds good. Well, I'm glad you are inspired to get into real estate in the past 2 weeks and join Gator, and let's build a long-term relationship for greatness here, my friend.
All right.
All right.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. Sounds good.
All right. Thanks.
Okay, have a good day. And what was your name again?
Justin Pickle. Pickell. Pickell.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. I remember that. I think I had. Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate you reaching out in the first place. All right. Thanks. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
All right, fellow Gator who's potentially ready to take action. He's working a full-time job, and he's trying to get some money, and so he can escape and get some properties and stuff. He's living in the dream right now to make it happen. So he needs to see the proof of concept to actually keep on going. And it's really as simple as 1 to 2 hours a day to get a deal. It's up to you guys to take action. You can be a Gator, you can be doing Dispo, you can be doing acquisitions. It's just staying focused on one thing over a long enough period of time with actually believing in what you're talking about and caring about your clients, staying consistent, and knowing what you're doing. You'll get deals done.